Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Come and buy kuli-kuli, oh.
Okay.
Fresh from Kaduna.
Before, uncle.
One dozen. See, your teeth go thank you. Next time, you go dey beg for more. Hey! My customer, welcome. That one where you open hands to now, fine kuli with that.
Continue.
See, I will give you the better price.
So how's the place?
See, so 800 naira for one dozen. Do here for this market, so you can see them for that price. Fresh kuli, yeah. Direct from Kaduna. 700 per dozen. Come for testing, na free. Wahala. Alaja.
Continue.
So you want use time collect my customer?
You dey sir?
Why you don't mind your lane? Why now when you want dey shout? Lane. For market, everybody they run the same road. And anytime I like, I shout for my market. Kuli, yeah.
This is plain.
Not be by name. Customer. If you buy from her, na regret you will talk. Don't forbid bad thing.
He shock you.
Customer. Test my own.
Okay.
It dey melt for mouth like suya oil. See am, you no get shame, you don't sell am finish. Nonsense. Customer, buy from me. See, I go add extra one for you.
Here is God.
Buy from me. I go dash you one piece plus groundnut join. You don't chop groundnut from Jokoto before. Abeg. Una too dey shout.
Tell
No dey
them.
buy again. See wetin you cause now.
You be mumu.
No.
You think say they wise?
Na your mouth chase am.
Now check out our site El Shoshu for all the series running this week. They hot.